Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to open HSBC account online UK. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and type HSBC bank account in Google. Over here, open the link called Open a Bank Account Online. After that, tap on the How to Apply button. Then read the information on the page carefully to understand all the details before applying. Once done, scroll down and you'll see two options: Apply for a sole account or Apply for a joint account. Select the account type you want and click on it to continue. Over here, you'll be taken to the account creation page where it shows what you'll need for the application: your address for the last 3 years, employment details, income details, and proof of identity and address. If you have all these and meet the requirements, click on Confirm and Start. Then fill in your personal details like first and last name, gender, date of birth, and other information. Make sure everything is correct. After that, upload a photo of your ID card or other required documents for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process and your HSBC bank account will be created successfully. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next